Relax. Side your leg, then stretch your leg. Clear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Complete breathe. And start a Sukshma. Hold your waist. Inhale. Side exhale. 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 Inhale up. Stretch your neck. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Hold. 1. Rotate your thighs. Clear. Hold your waist. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Clear. Start. Come on. 1, 2. Rotate your thighs. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Come on. 13, 14. Very good. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Lakshmi ma'am, bend your knees. 20, 6, 7. Very good, Pooja ma'am. 8, 9, 10. Then up. Straight your leg. Breathe yourself. Then side change. Come on. Left your left leg. Come on. Up. Hold. 1, 2. Very good. 3. Come on, everyone. 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. 8, 9, 10. Down your left leg. Bend and hold. Come on. Hold. Warrior pose 3. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Complete breathe. Breathe yourself. Then after breathe, warrior pose 2 and toes God poses. Clear? Correctly बता रही हूँ, पहले देख लेंगे. You have knees issue, back pain issue, कोई problem है? Then use a chair. Clear? Hold the warrior pose. Bend your knees 50 degrees. Clear? Hold the position 10 count. Sorry, 20 count. And hold the God poses. Sit on a chair and up and hold. Clear? Same position. दूसरी side. जिनको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, लाइक दिस बैक पेन इशू, चोट लगी है, नीज इशू, वो चेयर के थ्रू करेंगे. यू हैव नो प्रॉब्लम, देन ओपन योर लेग्स को जितना ओपन कर सकते हैं करेंगे. देन होल्ड द वॉरियर पोज. होल्ड द पोजीशन 20 काउंट. यहाँ पे होल्ड करेंगे. देन साइड योर फुट एंड टोज. Clear. Hold the God poses. 10 count. Then side hold. क्लियर. अपर बॉडी को नीचे नहीं ले जाएंगे, अपर बॉडी सीधी रहेगी. ओनली बेंड योर नीज 90 डिग्री. 3 Paduttanasana. Support your chair, right leg back. Hold the Ashwin Chalakasana. Hold Paduttanasana. 6 cat cow full stand namaskar. 7 Bhujangasana. 8 Paduttanasana. Now left leg front. Ashwin Chalakasana. 10 Paduttanasana. 11 Paduttanasana. 12 Namaskar. Clear? Without chair, hold the Namaskar Mudra. 1, 2, 3. Right leg back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left leg front. 9, 10, 11, and 12. Clear? Now start Chand Namaskar. Please try new joining Chand Namaskar. Start. Then hold the Namaskar Mudra. Turn your right side. Turn your left side. Right leg side. Side your foot. Hold the God poses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then up. Side your foot. Hold the Trikonasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then down. Hold the Trikonasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend your knees. Hold. Anjani Asana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then down. Hold. Ardha Malayasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have back pain issue. Please support your chair. Do a Surya Namaskar. Side change. Hold the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then turn. Hold the Anjani Asana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then down. Hold. Passion Purasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn your left foot. Hold the Trikonasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. Side your both foot. Hold the God poses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold the Namaskar Mudra. Join your leg. Then Ardha Chandrasana. Turn your right side. Turn your left side. Namaskar. Clear? You have back pain issue. किसी को back pain issue है, cervical issue है, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, आप चेयर के साथ सूर्य नमस्कार कर सकते हो, खड़े नहीं रहेंगे. Clear? Come on, hold the Namaskar Mudra. Then turn your left side. Turn your right side. Right leg side. Side your both foot. Hold the God poses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stand straight. Hold the Trikonasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down your hole. Turn your foot. Hold the Passion Purasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then bend your knees. Hold the Anjani Asana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then down. Hold. Hold the Ardha Malayasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And bend for the Advalasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And turn for the Anjani Asana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And up. Hold partial for aside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trikonasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. Hold the God poses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then turn your right side. Turn your left side. Namaskar. Breathe yourself after breathe. मैम ये साइड लंचेस करने में फुट और कोई बात नहीं, जितना आपसे हो आप कर सकते हो, सपोर्ट लेंगे फ्लोर का, जितनी देर तक आप जैसे भी कर सकते हो कर सकते हो, ठीक है। चलिए स्टार्ट। टर्न योर राइट साइड, टर्न योर लेफ्ट साइड, राइट लेग साइड, होल्ड द गॉड पोज, कम ऑन, साइड चेंज, दूसरी साइड, होल्ड, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. वेरी गुड। साइड चेंज, दूसरी साइड। जिनसे बैलेंस नहीं बन रहा है वो नीचे आर्म्स को रख सकते हैं अपने पाँव को स्टेबल करने के लिए, बट ओवर अपने लेग को स्ट्रेच करेंगे। कम ऑन, 1, 2, 3, कम ऑन 4, यस, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Relax. Complete breathe. Breathe yourself. You have back pain issue, please hold a child pose, Shashankasana. Everyone hold the Shashankasana. Best exercise है आपके back pain के लिए. Clear? Hold the Shashankasana, everyone. Breathe yourself. Now stretch your leg. Come on, move your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Relax. Can you please show me that position possible once? Yes, yes. Which position, ma'am? Rinu ma'am. Which position? Please मुझे mention करो कौन सा? Just okay. Shashank Asana. Then join your both knees. Clear down your foot. And stretch your arms forward. Here, down your hand, hold the position. Here, stretch your backs, arms. Then hold the position, 20 down, 50 down. It's your choice. Yeah. And start a butterfly pose, everyone. Come on, join your foot. Hold your both foot. Move your thighs. Come on. 1, 2, straight your back. Open your shoulder. 3, straight your back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Forward bend and move your thigh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And up. And open your legs, shake your legs. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then tap your thighs and legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Hold the Sukhasana. Hold the Gyan Mudra pose. Close your eyes. Focus your third eye. Breathe yourself. Normal breathing. Start Om chanting pranayama. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub your hand, keep your palm, put your eyes, face, whole body just. Namaskar, धन्यवाद आप सभी का दिन शुभ हो. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, Preeti ma'am.